Hello, dear children, good morning. Today I am going to continue the fifth chapter, The Worthy Successor. Right? In our previous class, I have explained you about a priest for a famous temple in the Assam, right? And when he is no more, and I mean before his death, he was thinking about the position to whom to give his position, right? And he called for the caretaker of the temple, and he told Gopan, the caretaker's name is Gopan, and he told him to take charge after my death and to he has to appoint the person who gives priority to humanity to the priest of this temple. So Gopana is thinking whom to select as a priest of this temple, and he arranged interview, and young men came for the interview. And but he is in a dilemma that all the men came for the interview was wise, but Gopana wants to select only one person among them. And the young men reached the temple. By the time the young men reached the temple, they were exhausted. Gopan gave them food and water. See here, he is providing food and water to the young men. Then they were asked to recite verses from the sacred text. Each young man was better than the other. So these young men were better than the other. They all are perfect. Any one of them would make a good priest. What do I do? So here Gopana is thinking all of them are perfect. So I have to choose one of them among these. Just then, a tired young man limped. What do you mean by limped? Limped means walked with difficulty. Walked with difficulty. So, just then, a tired young man walked with difficulty into the temple courtyard. So, young man came to the temple courtyard who walked with very difficulty. It was easy to see that he was badly hurt. We can see in the picture clearly. See, his clothes were torn and his body is not clean. So, it was easy to see that he was badly hurt. His clothes were torn in several places. We can see in this place and all these places his clothes were torn. Now Gopan is asking, what happened to you? Have you come for the interview? Look at your feet, they are hurt badly. Gopana is asking, what happened to you? Look at your feet, they are badly hurt. Do you came for the interview? Oh man, what do you think? For what you came to hear? Gopana is asking in this way. Please, sir, don't worry about me. Yes, it was my dearest wish to be the temple priest here. Yes, this man came for the interview and he is saying, sir, please don't worry about me. It was a dream to me to be the temple for the priest, but I know I am very late for the interview. But apologize, I am very late for the interview. But what happened to you? Were you attacked on your way here? Did not you follow the same route as the others? Gopana is asking, what happened to you? What's wrong with you? Do you attacked on your way? Have you forgotten the way, or didn't you follow the same route as others followed? Gopana is asking. Indeed, indeed, I did. But the mountain path, this is the mountain path. We can see in this picture clearly, this is the mountain path. But the mountain path was full of thorny bushes and sharp stones. See, children, we can find stones here. These are sharp stones and thorny bushes. So, I decided to clear it. Now people can come to the temple without getting hurt on the way. That is why I am late. So he is late because he cleared the route. He cleared the route so that the people who come to the temple will come to the temple without getting hurt on the way. So he removed thorny bushes and sharp stones. That's why he is late for the interview. We can see here he is doing the work in order to clear the path for the people who comes to the temple. Make sure that only a human person is chosen as the priest of this temple. The holy man could not have been clearer. So, Gopanna is thinking that only a human person is chosen as the priest of this temple. This is the previous priest wish to appoint the human person for the priest of this temple. So Gopanna is thinking about the person. Son, on seeing you, I know what the wise priest was talking about. You are the chosen one. You are the new priest of this temple. So Gopanna appointed this person as the new priest for this temple because he is a human person. He has a human personality, and that is what the before priest thought about. So Gopanna appointed this person as a priest. Today, all of you climbed the same dangerous path to get here on time, but only one of you thought of his fellow beings and took up the task of clearing the path. He did this to make it easier for those who wish to pray at the temple. So, Gopanna is telling to the people, today all of you came on the same dangerous path, but you never thought to clear it. So this person cleared the path because the men or the people who come to this temple can come without any effort. As a result, this young man got the chance to be selected as the priest here. Why is Gopanna saying to the men all these words? See, they have asked, what do you mean? Why do you choose this young man who was late for the interview? All these men were so angry on Gopanna. What are you doing? This man came for the interview so late and you have appointed this man as the priest. What do you mean? What do you think? These people are asking Gopanna. Because of this, Gopanna has told this person has the human personality that he cleared the dangerous route, as you people also came in the same route. Because of that reason he is late for the interview, but he is a kind, wise and human person. So he is the most eligible, most suitable person for this position, so that he is selected as the priest here. This is the response of Gopanna to the people. Yes, he is right. We agree. He deserves to be the one. And the citizens also telling, see, that's true. The person is the right person and we too agree. He deserves this position. Then see, he is the old priest, right? Thank you, wise one. I would never have known better if not for your words of wisdom. All these fine young men would have made perfect priests, but only one, a truly good human person, could have been your worthy successor. See, the priest is saying, thank you so much, wise one. All the men who came for the interview are so perfect priests, but only this person has a humanity. So he is suitable for this position and he could have been your worthy successor. So this is what about this story. the worthy successor. Children, once go through this story, okay? If you have any doubts, you can reach out to me. Bye, children. Thank you.